is brought into the home, carefully scrub out the orange. Don't break the peel. A spoon will be a very proper tool for this work. Then place a proper size wick down in the very center of this peel. Secure the wick like this. Melt the candle down, then take the liquid back and put it slowly in the peel. Leave it for 3 hours and then light it up. Let's try to make this beautiful popsicle stick night lamp. Hot glue the popsicle sticks that I'm showing here. Make sure the glass is slightly wider at the top than it is at the bottom. Start attaching the sticks as shown from the bottom up. Now place the candle in and light it up. Finally, we're done! Wrap any type of glass you like. Then decorate it with a proper size leg. Use double-sided tape or hot glue it to the glass. Put the candle in and light it up. Easy, huh? Here, you decorate the candle with a proper size lace. You will need a big size candle and use double-sided tape attached to the lace to the candle. Then tie a bow on the lace to make it look a little bit more presentable. Trim the edges off. Light it up and ta-da! Here I'm gonna show you how to make your t-shirt bag. Start by laying the t-shirt out flat. We are going to cut our t-shirt along the lines. Take the scissors and carefully cut off the arms and the neck. Now cut slit through both sides of the shirt about an inch in width all the way across. The pieces should be long enough for you to tie 2 or 3 knots with it. Tie a knot along the bottom of the shirt, holding pieces of the corresponding strips from each side. Tie 2 or 3 knots with each set of strips to make it secure. Then turn it the inside out, and now we already have a really simple homemade t-shirt bag. They are actually quite strong and they are comfy to carry and fit great over the shoulder. And now, let's try another design. Lay your t-shirt out flat, grab the scissors and carefully cut off the arms, then cut the neck and the bottom off. Stitch the bottom. Then, if you want, you can make a few small cuts or holes on the t-shirt, turn back through on itself and done!